Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Renson's Yard. This week, we're using some sod to create a new lawn. Before starting to install the rolls, we've applied topsoil to the whole area, and we've packed it down to make sure it won't wash away when the lawn is watered. Then, just before the rolls are laid out, we apply a dilute solution of liquid fertilizer. This will promote root growth and help the grass establish itself. There we have it. That's the final result. A nice, green, almost instant lawn. Once again, this is what it looked like before. And now, there we go. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.